I just looked at the weather report, and for the next 6 or 7 days, it's going to be in the high 60s. That should give me enough time to get this fixed, huh? I'm going to put my webbing tape down here. Probably about to there. I'm going to just cut it off this time. Last time I showed you how to do it by taking it off with the putty knife. But because I'm up close to the wall, because I'm cutting it at an angle, it's harder to rip it off at an angle. Instead of putting your putty knife in line with these lines and then ripping it at an angle. Okay. And if I want, I can put it this way too. Build it up. And that material is just going to flow right through this. This is actually self-adhesive tape that you would put on the walls for sheetrock. Now see, then I would put my knife on there and pull that at an angle, and then it rips it off. See, you got to do it fast, and if you don't do it exactly right, it kind of wants to tear off. Let's try that again. See, it's torn it off a little bit. It's just as easy to cut it, but like if you're doing this on a wall for sheetrock repairs or a ceiling, it's actually pretty easy. Put my 3-inch knife on there, pull it so you're ripping from the top over, not straight up. Right. That. I'm just going to fold that over like I do, so I can find it next time I need it. Next time I need it. I think I can put this on now. It feels pretty good. Where's my gloves at? I didn't even bring my gloves out here. Well, hopefully I won't get anything on me. If I do, soap and water takes this off. Okay, so now I'm just going to kind of coat this on there. I mean, you would think I could build this up. 1/8 of an inch, my word. Wouldn't you? Let's get this coated on there all the way first. This has already built it up a little bit just by using this, right? Just by using this tape, self-adhesive tape. They also have it like this for roofing. It's not self-adhesive, it's cloth tape like this, yellow. I've seen it, I've used it, and it's 6 inches wide. So I could have put one strip on there, double layer. You know? Could have. if I had it, but I didn't, and I didn't want to buy it because I thought, hey, this will work. I've got it. Work just as well. Building it up already. Now I can use my white, right? It's kind of eyeball about how much I want. Something like that. Because once you put this down on the floor, it soaks right through, so I don't want to get it on my hands. I should be building it up. Okay, now I'm gonna actually get it on there thicker. Let's see if I can't use the putty knife, the sheetrock knife. Well, that's gonna get it all over too. Okay. Try to make sure I don't get this on my towel, right? Okay. Now I'm going to use my knife and try to float this and build it up. See what I'm doing? Building that up, aren't I? I still look a little low right over in there. Now I'm going to cut some more tape. I'm going to put some more tape on top of that. Yeah. That'll help hold it together, huh? What do you think about them apples? Look at that. That's going to hold it together, don't you think? I'm making a sandwich. Okay. There we be. Let's build it up a little bit. Where are my gloves when I need them? There are my gloves. Hope you're learning something watching my videos. Now let's kind of put some on the outside edge. On both sides. A little bit of this goes a long way. when that dries, that'll be better than the water, the standing water we saw before. By golly, I think it will. Flatten it down right at the end. I don't know how much more I can do on that pass. I'm gonna have to let this dry, I think. I can get it just a little bit more smooth if I can. See if I can't use my 6-inch here. There's only going to be so much you can do this first go. That's looking pretty good. Remember, I wanted it to be high, just a hair at this corner here. Okay, I don't think I should play with it anymore. Get the last little ridges out if I can. It's just creating more ridges though as I go, looks like. There. I'm not even putting any pressure on. I'm just kind of flowing it through. That just gave me all kinds of ripples. Okay. Come on, stop, Joe. Jeez. All right. That's it. That's all I'm going to do this go. And we'll see what happens with that. See what I just did? Yeah, you saw, right? I still got enough to put another coat on when this dries. And once that's dry, of course, I'll take my level across there again and look and see what I have to do. I think right here at the end, it needs to be flat. It needs to taper to flat right in here. can't really do it after this stuff dries. Okay, because it'll be rubbery and I won't be able to really knock it down at that point. So alright, I think I'm liking that right there. Brush. I've got my plastic bag from the other day. It was wet when I took it off, but you know, I didn't roll it up, wad it up and throw it away. I just saved it, kind of opened it up and let it dry. That's right, I ran this out the other day into my paint pan, remember? My paint tray? And I forgot to wipe the sides down afterwards. Just wiping the sides to get all the material down at the bottom so it doesn't dry on the side of the can. Okay? Now I can take that same plastic bag, wrap that up so I don't have to wash it out. In fact, I'll go get it right now. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.